Summary. Yeah. After the first example, let's do some summary for useful points on algorithms. So, what is the impact of efficient algorithms? So, we can see that in problem number 1. Huge difference, 500,000 to 1. In our example, that big, Yeah. Worth the investment, right? You spend time to develop this algorithm, but after that, then, your gain is huge. So that investment is, really, a great one. Design of algorithms. Strategies are important. So here you can see we use many strategies. They are very important. So you need to learn those strategies. Yeah. And I will use those strategies many, many times. Okay? So sooner or later, you will be comfortable with those strategies. Other than strategies, you also need, more thinking, experience, also important, right? Experience. So you need a lot of things. Okay? Yeah. Analysis of algorithms. Yeah. Find out how well your algorithms perform. Okay? You need to do analysis. You need to use many math tools on this part. Okay? Yeah. You need a good math background. That's why we require a pretty strong math background for this course. You will see a lot of the math, when I talk about math, I will give you a lot of details. So to make sure you really understand the math details, so you can do it by yourself. So based on our schedule, this week I will give you the first exercise. I posted a video yesterday, so if you have time, try to watch that video. So I explain the specific schedule in details. I also post the PowerPoint slides, so you can also look at that. Summary on problem-solving tips. All right. To get good problem-solving skills, you need to be equipped with good number of strategies and experience. Strategies first, but you also need experience on how to use them as well. Yeah. Because if you only have strategies, suppose I'll give you a list of strategies, put on a sheet of paper, you don't know how to use them. Still not very useful. You need to have a lot of experience how to use those strategies. Then you can apply them in a right situation. Okay? Yeah. So the first item, I emphasize strategies and experience. Second item, a solution is usually based on the structure of the problem. I emphasize structure is important. By examining the structure, you can get a property, and you can use the property to find some solution. Yeah. So structure is important. Yeah. Yeah. So later in my discussion, I will explore the structure a lot. Okay? Yeah. Third item, to get a different outcome, you need to transform the structure of the problem. Transform is here important. Change the form to some equivalent form. Transform. Very important. Okay? So I emphasize this idea, all the time in this class. Transform. Okay? To change the structure, we need to explore the properties of the problem. Properties important. We try to get the properties as many as we can, because we will use them to solve the problems. So properties, very important in this item. Okay? Yeah. The last one, to solve a relatively hard problem, sometimes we can start from a simpler case, and then we generalize the idea. Okay? Yeah. All right. So that's the, some commonly used problem-solving tips. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So you will see all these things many, many times. Yeah. All right. Good. Yeah. In our first problem, so here you can see you can learn a lot of things. Oh, by the way, also